मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू Nimbu.Chilli और मैं हूं आपका होस्ट सरोज। और निकल पड़े हैं आज एक और जगह एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए जिसका नाम है कामाकुरा। यहाँ से कुछ 1 घंटे का राइड है। फिलहाल तो हम लोग गोतांगा स्टेशन पर हैं और ऑलमोस्ट 1 आवर लगेगा वाया मेट्रो और रेल। विल कीप यू पोस्टेड। अगर चैनल का पुराने वीडियोस नहीं देखे हैं जिसमें जापान ट्रैवल से रिलेटेड है तो प्लीज़ इस प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर देखिए, या फिर मैं कोशिश करूँगा नीचे लिंक दे दूँगा डिस्क्रिप्शन में, तो वहाँ जाके देखिए। मिलते हैं फिर हम लोग थोड़ी देर में, आपको अपडेट करते रहेंगे। थैंक यू। पहुंच गए हैं कामाकुरा और यहाँ पर एक मैप बना हुआ है स्टेशन पे ही, विच कवर्स द इंटायर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ टू ट्रैवल इन कामाकुरा। कहाँ कहाँ जा सकते हैं, कहाँ नहीं जा सकते हैं, ये सब इसमें मेंशन है। एंड देयर आर मल्टीपल टूर कोर्स recommended here, so which one is applicable for you depending on the time. So basically this is the categorized on the basis of time, तो डिसाइड करके हम लोग जा सकते हैं। Let's see, most probably I'll cover the Great Buddha course because ये 3-4 घंटे का है। So let's see, I'll start for that. So we have multiple opportunities here. There are a lot of places to visit, lot of temples, bamboo groves, and the Great Buddha Temple as well. So there is a tourist guide that I've got, and not many places can be covered because it's almost more than one now. So I can cover only a couple of them. So let's see what all I can cover. Hokokuji Temple स्टॉप पर पहुंच गए हैं और यहाँ से मूव करना है हमें here, and then we have to follow this track for the Hokokuji Temple जहाँ पर bamboo groves हैं. Let's see. Hokokuji Temple, small but known for its bamboo grove and built in 1920. Temple majority hosts a statue of Buddha, and the pathway has roughly 2,000 bamboo trees, which takes you inside where there is a cozy tea shop serving traditional green tea. You can sit and relax and enjoy the serene beauty of this temple and green surrounding while having a sip of tea. There are many hiking trails in Kamakura which connects all the temples, but you need to have time to cover them. This is the chai shop, the tea shop that is made here. So while taking the ticket for the entry, you have to buy the ticket for this tea as well, which will be served here. So if you have not taken it, you have to go back and take the ticket again and come back.
That's the matcha powder,
Okay.
and then add the hot water from that pot,
Okay.
and then mix it with this one, which is called chasen. Yeah,
Chasen.
made from bamboo.
Oh, made from bamboo?
Yeah,
Okay.
we mix it
And what is this?
and make a form. It's a sweet called wasambon.
Uh-huh.
It's sugar.
Sugar.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, this is sweet.
Okay. And it's made from?
Made from sugar.
Sugar. Okay.
Yeah, which is called wasambon.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, the special sugar.
Okay. Okay. That's nice. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Have
you.
a nice day.
You too. Thank you. Tsurugaoka Hachimangu, one of the most important shrine in Kamakura, and is dedicated to Hachimon, who is the Shinto god of war and samurai. Founded in 1083, it has multiple torii gates along the way, and a must visit for everyone. Kotoku-in Temple. The great and the famous Buddha statue is located at Kotoku-in Temple. This is the second tallest Buddha statue in Japan and is made of bronze and is the most iconic attraction. It is roughly 13 meters tall statue and is hollow from inside. The visitors can actually view the interiors by paying a ticket charge. This was located originally inside large temple hall which was later destroyed by tsunami. According to temple records, the statue dates around 1252 during the Kamakura period, after which it is named. Komachi Dori, which is basically the Kamakura Street Food. Let's go there and try some local Kamakura food. Can I try this one? I'm here.
300円になります。
Mochi, you said?
Mochi.
Is it cake? Is it cake? Is it cake? Cake?
No.
No, right?
No. That's a rice cake. Rice cake.
Is it rice cake?
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah. スイーツって言おうとしたんですよ、ジャパニーズ。それやっぱり言ったかと思って。
Is sweeter and this is less sweeter, right?
Yeah.
And you called it what?
Soft cream.
Soft cream?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll try this.
Okay. Mine is soft.
ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。
क्या ट्राई किया जाए? हनी मस्टर्ड, चीज, ब्लैक पेपर, गार्लिक.
Black pepper. Okay.
You have fork?
Oh,
Fork?
a fork.
Black pepper, garlic chicken.
はい、つでも。
Thank you.